Kitchen 101. Cooking mussels at home for a weeknight dinner or even a dinner party is faster and easier than you think. Okay, so here's what you need to know. Plan on about a pound of mussels per person. This sounds like a lot, but most of the weight is just the shells. Farmed mussels are a good choice. Unlike wild mussels, farmed mussels grow suspended on ropes or nets in the water instead of the sandy bottom, so they contain less grit. Mussels are alive when you purchase them, and they should smell fresh, like the sea. The shells should be tightly closed, and if any are slightly open, try squeezing them shut. If they open again right away, or don't close at all, toss them out. This means the mussels are dead and are not safe to eat. When you get mussels home, store them in a bowl covered with a damp paper towel. Toss any mussels that have cracked shells. You'll definitely want to use them in a few days and drain any water that collects in the bowl each day. Before cooking mussels, give them a good scrub and trim off any stringy pieces. That's called the beard. Steaming mussels on the stovetop is fast, easy, and a flavorful way to cook them. A really popular recipe is white wine garlic mussels. You'll want to start with a quick sauté of garlic and shallots in butter. Bring the wine to a simmer before adding the mussels. They cook in about 5 minutes. You'll know the mussels are done when the shells open. Discard any mussels that don't open. And don't toss the cooking liquid. This broth has a lot of flavor. Soak it up with a big loaf of crusty bread. See you next time.